Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Day 28. Day 28. I just double checked and then I said the wrong one anyway. All right, so day 28 of saving daily in August. I have my cute dashboards and prop coins, and everything is from Kimmy over at Kimmy's Corner. I do have $12. I think I was able to bring $12 the majority of the month. There was a couple days where I did bring 10. Okay, so we are gonna go to the back. I am doing an extra roll every day. I'm trying it, something new, and I decided to do a category for the month, and I picked my $1,000 savings for my 1,000th video. That freebie is on my Ko-fi, as is this category of the month tracker. I put that up. A couple people had asked if that was anywhere, so I just put it up for free on my Ko-fi. So I am going to roll a D6, and we'll see what we will put towards our category of the month, and if anything, we'll go over to our dailies. 3 again, 3 in a row. All right, so we're going to put $3 in our category of the month. Let's do one more circle. So 28, 29, 30, 31. Yeah, okay, so that is correct. So now we need $3 worth of prop coins, and I use 50 cents to differentiate between the quarters that I use every day in my dailies. So we have 51, 52, 53. Okay, and then get our regular $6 worth, and then we have $9 that we can put into our dailies bank. And this basically, you put in the cash and it represents, or the prop coins represents the cash you have in your bank, and you just save along with this. And then as you get items completed, challenges completed, you come to the bank and take out the money. Yep, I don't know. This is fine, because it's a matter of the dice anyway, because... Okay, so now we're going to go to the paper clip, and that's on number 3. And let's see what we got going on. 2 for number 3. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope your week is going well. I am ready for fall. I am ready for cozy season. I am ready for, I'm going to start a fall binder again, so that's coming back on Sundays. Oh my goodness, we're keeping it, so 2 for 2. I'm just, all things fall is basically what I would like right now. 2 for number 4. 1, 2, 3 for number 5. 3 for number 6. 3 for 1, nice. 1 for 2. 1, 2, 3 for 3, and then I have 1 left, so I'll put that on 4, and then we will start at 5 tomorrow. All right. We're going to scoot you there, scoot you back. So number 1 has $1, so 25, 50, 75, $1. This one is from Janelle Ray Budgets. It was a freebie and an order, so each circle is 50 cents. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, okay, so we can do 2 circles. I'll be right back. All right, so that is that. Those are all quarters. All right, so we have 75 cents going into number 2. Oh my gosh, that's exactly what we needed. This one is from Paula at the Swag Doodlers, and we just saved $8. That is phenomenal. So 1, 2, and 3. That is fantastic. So number 2 is going to Walmart Plus. Walmart Plus. All right, so we can get a new one, but we will not have anything going into it. What is this one? Lifted Up and Living. I love it. Look at how pretty that tree is. So we made each one $1/4, and that will save us $4. We don't have anything we can put into that yet. All right, number 3. Okay, so we got 2 50s for $1. 50, 75, 25. So that's $2.75 going to number 3. So $2.75. Oh, and this is one that's worth 50 cents, so that's kind of nice. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, 50, 75, $2, 25, 50, 75. All right, so $2.75, and this one is from Bookish Mama Budgets. So this will also save us $8. All right. Quarters and 50. All right, number 4. So we have 50, whoa. $50 and then 25, 50, 75. So $1.75 going into number 4. This one is from Kimmy at Kimmy's Corner. Love it. So we can do $1.75. I will be right back. There we go. Love it. So 25 and 50. All right, number 5. 50, 75, $1.25 in number 5. This is another one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. That is 50 cents. So we have a 25, 50, 75, $1.25. Love it. Look how cute that is. All right, number 6. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, 50. $1.50 coming in here. This was one of my little freebies I had during Shark Week, and I can do $1.50. 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, 50. All right, I will be right back. All right. Not scary, you're just dramatic. So these are all quarters. All right, so let's see if we have $3 worth of our prop coins. 51, 52, 53. Perfect. Shove that in there. Go up to the front. We did finish one from Paula at the Swag Doodlers. She has the cutest stuff. So let's see, we have $5, $6, $7, $8. And then I realized I did not put my prop coins away, so let's do that. All right, so that is going to Walmart Plus, so I'm just going to put this right in here to completed. And then let's stuff our $8 into Walmart Plus. All the way in the back. We might count this one up too while we're here. All right, so we have 100, and then we have 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 45, $46. So 146. And I think it's around a 160 because I have Paramount Plus included with it and something else. So it's not just the Walmart Plus, it's Walmart Plus like 1 or 2 things. So that is awesome. And that's not due till November. So I feel like I am making excellent progress with that. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I appreciate you so much. I hope you have an amazing day, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Take care. Bye.